Hello, if you want to check your blood oxygen level using a Redmi Watch 5 Active, first of all, before you actually start measuring, you will have to go for Mi Fitness application, click on device, go for fitness and health, go into blood oxygen, and you can use a few options. The first one, you can enable all day tracking, so it will actually track your blood oxygen level when you are not moving, and you can also enable the blood oxygen alerts between 90 and 80%. And you can also find all of this data by going for health, and here you can find your blood oxygen automatic records. But if you want to do this right now, so you will have to grab your watch, click right here, and you will have to get this icon. Now you will have to put it on your wrist above the wrist bone, so you should put it like that. You have to be sure that you actually click measure, and now you have to keep the watch still and facing upwards and just wait for measuring process. So after this go into the end, you will get your final result. Thanks for watching.